Hey everyone, it's me, Abby, from iAbby. I'm in my bathroom right now, and did you hear that? Guess who that was? It was Buddy. Hold on. Buddy in. In. Well, there's Buddy. He's drinking that right now. See it? Buddy? No, down, down, down. There's the drenched rat. Bye. Hey everyone, it's me, Abby from iAbby.net. This is Buddy. Do you know where she is? You guessed it. She's in the tub. She's otherwise known as the drenched rat. She's curious right now. She's looking.
Pour some water on her.
Okay. I'm just trying to get the shampoo off of her right now. I just shampooed her, you missed it. Doesn't like it that much. She has to deal with it to get all that yucky stuff off her fur. It's almost done, right, Dad?
Yep.
So in 1 minute or two, see, look how much fur that she shedded.
Look how dirty and yucky this water is. You can almost see the drain.
It's all from a cat named Buddy. And a good little kitty. She's very curious. If you shut the doors on her, she'll meow like crazy. She meows once every 2 seconds. Well, when we begun, it was once every 5 seconds. But then it was 4, then 3, now it's 2. Think that's enough, Dad? See, did you hear her meow?
Okay. Pour one towards the back of her head.
What?
Pour one on towards the back of her head.
Buddy. What? Thanks for visiting. See you later. Remember, go to iAbby.net. Wait, you are there. Stay here for a while. Have fun. Bye.